no, Tara.
That smile? The way he kept staring at us with those dead eyes? What was in that bag?
I don't know, Tara. The point is, he's gone, and you're never gonna see him again. So cut the shit, because you're starting to freak me out.
I really have to pee.
So go.
Go. Go where?
It's the middle of the night.
I can't just pop a squat in the middle of the street and pee like you do.
Well, tough shit. Because it's gonna be a while till your sister gets here. Maybe that guy has a bathroom that you can use.
Who?
That creepy guy. Who just got out of that even creepier looking building. Tara, I was kidding.
Excuse me?
Yes?
I'm sorry to bother you. Is there a bathroom in there I could use?
Sorry, I don't own the place. I'm not supposed to let anyone in here.
Please, mister, it's an emergency. I'll be 2 seconds.
Honestly, I could get in a lot of trouble.
Who's gonna know?
Just let her use the bathroom, for God's sake. She'll make it worth your while.
Friend of yours?
Yeah, I'm sorry. She's drunk. It's been a long night.
All right, just make it quick, okay?
Thank you.
Guy's even weirder looking than the clown was.
Sweet.
Good thing you called me when you did. I was about to bomb the hell out of this place.
Bomb?
Bug bomb. Pest control?
What kind of pest?
You sure you want me to tell you before you use the bathroom?
Why? Don't tell me it's roaches.
It's not roaches.
Oh, good.
It's rats.
Rats?